Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. So for today's video, I am going to be labeling the series Baddies on a Budget, okay? Because prices are going up, my paycheck is staying the same, and I still want to look good, you know? And I know you guys want to look good too, but all these extra things that we pay for, our nails, our lashes, waxes and stuff like that, something gotta give. So yeah, the purpose of these videos are to show you guys products that I found that help me stay looking like a baddie, but it's not hurting my pocket, okay? Because we gotta budget somewhere because gas is $4, okay? And groceries are high. And I don't know. I just don't know. Christmas is coming up. What are we gonna do? Anyways, so, and I'm going to include a video of how I did my nails like this, but the product that I use to get my nails like this is called BTArtbox X-Coat Nails 2-in-1 Soft Gel System. So this is on Amazon and I got it for $20 on Prime Day. This is the kit. So with the kit comes a little fingernail light. This is like the little gel light to cure the gel. You also get, hold on, I'm trying to find it, the gel glue, and you get a top coat. So you get everything you need in the kit. You also get a fingernail file, which I can't find right now for some reason, but it's included in the video that I'm including in this video. But I always like to use these fingernail files. These are like more of the professional ones from Sally's, and they're like $1 at Sally's. But these things, what is it, 160 to 180 grip fingernail files will take off gel polish. These things are legit. Absolutely love these things, and I'll have them linked in the video below. But these things are key and vital when you're doing your own nails or, you know, any type of maintenance, because these things are the best files I found. Yeah, so this kit, I got it for $20. And it comes with 150 to 300 nails. So you get a lot, okay? You get a lot. And the ones that came with the kit are like just the nude ones. These are the ones I had on first. These are the ones I had in the video. But at the end of the video, you see me with the French tip. So these are the ones I got. And I love these things. They're super cute. This is more of a coffin shape. And it's like a medium length to me. It's really not that long. But they're super, super cute and very, very natural and new looking. And these nails come in every shape. Stiletto, square, almond, coffin. They come in short, long, medium length. So, and they have different kind of designs per se. Like everything you could ever need. Shape, size with these nails. Except for a lot of designs. But like you can get press-ons anywhere. Walgreens, Ulta has a whole lot of them, and a lot of theirs have like a lot of designs on them. Walmart, the beauty supply store, anywhere, Target, you can get press-on nails. Really, any press-on nail will work. Period. TikTok has a bunch of press-on nails in the TikTok shop that you could buy. I just want to show you guys. These are the French tip, the ones I have on right now. These are super, super, super cute. I absolutely love it. It's very, very simple and easy to do. And look at this. Do y'all see this? These are not popping off. They're not lifting, nothing. Now, I will say, maybe it was user error in the beginning when I first put mine on, that like a couple of them popped off. I was like, maybe I didn't do this right. So I just went in, redid it, put on a new, because I had a lot. You get a lot. You get a lot. You guys, this is worth the money. Look how much you get. So if one pops off, just replace it. And it takes like 2 minutes to really put it back on. Hold on, it's on this side. Look how many you get. You get 4 rows. Look at this. Ooh, of nails. For $20, I think this is worth it, because you usually get 24 nails, and that might be like $10. You get look how many nails you get for 20. These were $26, but this is how much you get. This is well worth the money. Well worth the money, okay, in my opinion. I just wanted to let you guys know, besides the things that I mentioned that it comes with, so it gives you everything you need, I also think you need a nail dehydrator, which I have this Marquette brand, one that I got from Amazon a while ago that I used just to dehydrate the nail. So if you don't have this, you can use alcohol, period. Like, everybody has alcohol in their closet. Just use alcohol. Another thing I used was a nail primer, same brand. I had this, and my nail tech, when I was getting my nails done, she used this on my nails, and I'm like, okay, why not use that? Perfect, period. So yeah, this isn't necessary. Just definitely make sure you have something to dehydrate your nails. And I would also say file your nail a little bit and try to file underneath the nail tip, just to give it a little grit so it will stay and stick longer. That's another tip that I got for some people, and I feel like it's been working for me as far as keeping my nails on to last as long as they can. Like I said, the process to do this is real simple, real quick, real easy, and we're gonna go to the video and show you how I did this.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else can do like you do. That's why I mind spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Okay, you saw that, quick and easy. These are what my nails end up looking like. Like, I'm telling you, top tier. Get you some press-ons. You know, if you want to save money, get press-ons. That's all I can say. And I don't know when press-ons stepped up their game like this, but this is where it's at, okay? Because $20 for 150 nails, and when one pops off, one pop off, people said theirs been lasting up to a month. I don't see it lasting that long. Maybe a week, 2 weeks, whatever. But this will last you, this whole kit could probably last you like easily 2 months. You know what I'm saying? 2 months where you don't have to do your nails. You just press-ons, press-ons, press-ons. Any of them pop off, put the nail back on. And that's what it is. So, $20. The kit I paid, I paid $20 for this kit. So $20 for 2 months, 2-3 months, I'll take it. I'll take it. So let me know what you guys think. Leave a comment below. Have you tried press-on nails? Do you wear press-on nails? Because I think everybody's wearing press-on nails now. Just because of the convenience of it, the price of it, everything. Yeah, let me know. Thank you guys for watching this video. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.